Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if you're getting a network error while using the Talkie app, don't worry, this video will walk you through the exact step to fix it. Let's jump right in. For that, first of all, you want to make sure you have a stable internet connection. You can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or open another app like YouTube or Chrome to test your internet. If the other app aren't working either, the problem is with your connection. After that, turn on your airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it off. And then reopen the Talkie app and then see if the error is gone. Now after you do that, go ahead and simply open up your app store and then search for Talkie. Once you search for it, open it up, and then if you see update instead of open, go ahead and tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. After you do that, head back to your home screen, open up your settings. Inside settings, go ahead and simply tap on apps. Then simply search for Talkie. Then tap onto it, and you want to make sure your network access or background data is allowed. Without the right permission, the app cannot connect. So if everything fails, you want to long press on the Talkie app, tap on remove app, tap on delete app, then tap on delete. Once you have deleted the application, make sure you reinstall it from the app store. So that's it guys, your Talkie application should be working without any network error. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.